Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Prasoon Agrawal from EQ International Magazine, and today I'm here with Mr. D.V Manjunatha, who is the Managing Director of MV Solar. Hello, Mr. Manjunatha.
Hello.
First of all, Mr. Manjunatha, I would like to have a brief introduction about MV Solar and what product offerings does it have for the Indian solar market.
MV is about 25 years old. We have started in 1992 in June. So today we can see the long history of MV. We started with solar thermal product with hot water system. Then in 2006, where the solar photovoltaic has been started, where the in India even the manufacturing base, no one is doing automatic tabber and stringer. We are the first company who introduced the automatic tabber stringer, and all our manufacturing product is to sell in the European country, especially Germany, Italy, Euro, and France, etc. And in 2012, the Indian market has started well. So we started with 15 megawatt capacity in 2006. Today we have 15,500 megawatt capacity with the latest machines from the Germany, which is called M10, where in a single string, I can do a production of 5,000 cells per hour. And we also have a Berkeley laminates within a vertical one, which can be produced in 8 minutes, 12 models in one machine. We have two machines of like that. So we are the first company, or we are the from the beginning. Any latest technology we adopt. What I told these two machines, that is M10 or Berkeley, we are the first in India who adopted this technology. I can say in the M10 we are the first in the world itself. This is the first machine which can string the soldering of the string will be done in a uniformity manner in a full plate observer.
Manjunath, 25 years is a very long time if we look at in terms of the Indian solar industry, where most of the senior companies are hardly 8 or 10 years old. So how has your journey been in this industry for the last 25 years, and how has it transformed into different phases?
Now we have seen the good and bad years both. So if you see in the initial stages, the demand of the product is extremely high in 2006 period. When 2012 the market has clashes, so we have most of the companies has faced lot of difficulties. But we as an MV, because of the long experience, we have at a particular time we have taken a particular steps, including entering to the project development by ourselves in Europe, where we have already developed 5 projects in there. We are owning still 4, and similarly we have also started open access projects in India in the first beginning. Then we are also doing the other feed-in tariff project. Whenever the lean period is there, we are concentrating on the project development. Our main focus is model manufacturing and supply. And if you see history, we are the only company who are not imported single model in India. We are completely manufactured by us. Not you can see anywhere. We will not import any models. We are manufacturers. We are not the traders, and our products definitely have the high quality product. We believe that the people who are investors who invest in 25 years, the product has to give them in a better.
So, Manjunath, the entire industry has been witnessing very aggressive bidding by project developers in each and upcoming tenders. I mean, it has been revolving somewhere around 2.5 to 3, and it has been coming down with every coming tender. So, how does that affect you as a manufacturer? What sort of cost pressure does it bring upon you?
No, as a manufacturer, definitely it will not going to be too much of pressure for us, because it is all supply chain across the table. It is from the polysilicon to this. See, the price why it is going down is because of multiple reason. Number one reason is, okay, there are the land will be given by the government itself. There is no transmission issues are going to be there. Then the cost of the finance, very important is cost of the finance. So the and IRR, what the IRR they are expecting, so their expected level is less, because they are thinking of next 25 years, right? So they are more be happy with having only the below 10 IRR, or the cost of the finance is 7 or 6% like that. Then yeah, then obviously it is still possible to do with that range of the prices.
Something on the technology front, sir. What sort of technology do you means are you providing for your modules, and how has the acceptability has it been for your modules in the industry?
See, the bulk of the product will go in the standard crystalline models, which is either poly or mono, which the efficiency level of the models will be around 16% or something like that. But going forward, the PERC technology and N-type mono is going to be come in, and bifacial. These are the next, I can see in next 2 years, this may take over little of the market share.
Can you also throw some light on any recent noteworthy project where you must have installed, where you must have supplied your panels?
We have supplied the projects in Germany, which is from 2006. It is almost 11 years over. The projects is running well, and even in India, we have supplied from the first Gujarat project to the first rooftop solar machine projects. All projects, the models are we have supplied,
What
and
has been the cumulative quantity of the total modules supplied by you, sir?
it is more than a gigawatt.
Uh, Something on the performance part, sir. Have you received any sort of customer feedback of your modules being installed in any particular project, or any third party certifications, performance reports? How has been the performance of your modules?
We have received quite number of this type of informations. Many of the customers who really buys the models at least 10 megawatt plus, they do the independent testing of the models to send it to the laboratory. We are also happy to receive such certificates from the customers with the positive results. We have received at least, I can say, the people who are done, most of them have satisfied their this thing. We have not got back any negative feedback. Even many customers has shared their data saying that really your models are performing well.
Something on the policy front, Mr. Manjunath. Out of this 100 gigawatt target which the government of India has set up, what size of the market share do you target to capture?
We can expect around 5 gigawatt.
And how has been the government's policy environment concerning the 100 gigawatt target?
The policy is in a good stage. Okay, there is small hiccups will be there definitely, but the government is putting that efforts. But in the field, the new problems are arising. It could be local issues or other things. So this need to be resolved, and DESCOMs has to be little proactive to do these projects. Then I think the target is not going to be a big challenge.
Something, we're talking about policy. So, anti-dumping petition has been doing talking rounds in the industry for the past few months, and it's still not clear what's going to happen. You being a domestic Indian manufacturer, sir, how do you view the anti-dumping petition being pushed for?
See, anti-dumping duty for a Indian manufacturers, when there is a price difference or the Chinese are able to sell the cost down price, anti-dumping is must. Even in 2014, the anti-dumping supposed to be levied, but due to some reasons, it is not been levied. But the way the anti-dumping need to be looked into the final product for the module, not just the cell alone, and also differentiation between the cell and module has to be there. And cell is also compulsory, the anti-dumping duty has to be there, but the difference has to be there. Like we are already paying the duty on the glasses, and the other product like backsheet and DVA, they have also filed their petitions for all the raw material. If we are paying anti-dumping duty when we import the final product, if it doesn't have any duty, then actually Indian manufacturers will have to be away big trouble. See, anti-dumping duty is the solution which has to come, and we hope that it will going to come in soon.
Great, Mr. Manjunath. Those are some interesting views you presented in front of us, sir. Thank you so much for your time and this opportunity to have an interview with you.
Thank you very much.